it's a positive sign that you're gonna carry that forward entire week. So taking care of your nails for polished look is that simple. You already have like pictures planned, and this
Sing, won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me. Stay the night. Oh, miss your flight.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday me and my husband were chatting about how important it is to look polished and how does it affect your personal life, your professional life and all that. A polished look can have various impacts on somebody's lives, both personally and professionally. It boosts your confidence, it gives a positive perception. It also improves your self-image, social relationships, attention to detail, mental and emotional well-being. Feeling good about yourself can positively impact your mental health. So yesterday's chat with my husband was the first step where I decided I should do a video on how I managed to look polished throughout the week. I'm a working mother. I take care of the household chores and my baby, and I go to the office twice a week. And many people ask me, how do I manage to always put together? So here I am sharing my tips and tricks that I follow on weekends. So today we are focusing on weekend prep and plan to maintain that polished look throughout the week. So let's get started. I have divided this session into 5 chapters. I will also be putting up the timestamps in the description. So if you want to skip any of these and go to that particular one, feel free to dive in. I also have my book where I've listed all of those. I didn't want to miss any of a single bit detail also. So let's get started. So first thing I take care on Saturdays. It could be a Saturday or Sunday or both of them together. If you feel overwhelmed, doing everything in a single day, you can actually plan your weekend, do some stuff on Saturday and plan the others on Sunday. So Saturday, the first thing I do is the self-care. Do anything that you would feel better. It could be a spa, going to a parlor, or just having fun at your home. Treat yourself with a face mask if you're staying at home. Remember, self-pampering is a must if you're looking for a polished look. And as we are in the face and getting all those glowing stuff happening, if you're somebody who doesn't like the facial hair also, you can go for trimming of your eyebrows or just removing of your facial hair. And again, if you're somebody who is comfortable in your facial hair and don't want to remove all that, it's up to you, you do you, but I generally prefer a clean canvas. Even if I have a mood to do some makeup, it sits flawlessly. Second is doing your hair. Treat your hair with deep conditioning or a trim if needed. Style your hair perfectly so that your hair looks flawless, starting of the week at least, so that you can do some sort of a styling in middle. But then if you're starting your week with styled hair, it's a positive sign that you're gonna carry that forward entire week. So if you want to do blow dry or style with different styling tools, Sundays are perfect for that. Third step is taking care of your nails. If that is something, if you have to go to a parlor to get the manicure or pedicure done, it's up to you, but I just like to just trim my nails, remove the old nail polish, or if there is any chipped nails, and use a new nail polish. Again, it depends on you. If you like bright colors, go for that. I do all pastels or nudes. So taking care of your nails for polished look is that simple. Remember, details like these matter. Number 4 is wardrobe planning and organization. Now that we are done with taking care of the skin, nails and hair, now let's talk about outfits. Imagine it's one of the weeks that you have to go to the office or just have some event to go to, and you open your wardrobe and there are a pile of clothes and you don't know what one to choose from, and you just dig in, just pick one or two, pair it randomly, and you feel like, oh, this is not going well, or you do not have enough outfits in your wardrobe. You do not have like perfect staple pieces or a basic wardrobe or capsule wardrobe. This is where you need wardrobe planning and organization. So after your self-care routine, plan some time organizing your wardrobe. Plan your outfits for the upcoming week so that you have plenty of time to actually plan your outfits. So Monday I'm gonna wear this, Tuesday and so on and so forth. So here's a tip for you. Wear the outfits, or you can just put them on a hanger. Take pictures so that you do not have to spend a lot of time again on your busy mornings looking for the outfits. You already have like pictures planned, and this will also help you, going forward as well. After a month or two, again you want to repeat the clothes, right? So you know what all outfits you already have in your wardrobe, and that'll be like a cherry on cake. So now that you have all your outfits planned for the week, now it's time to polish them. Trust me, polished look doesn't just mean you just put on the clothes, wear expensive stuff and you instantly look polished. I'll put an example of two pictures over here. Both of them are like properly styled. So what exactly is the difference that you can see? One is cleanly ironed or steamed, the other one is having a lot of wrinkles. So now you know it's not just putting outfits together, but it also matters if they are cleanly pressed. So take some time in the weekend, do all the steaming and ironing so that in the busy mornings you're not just running around with a steamer. If you're thinking we are done with this part, no, you're wrong. We're just done with the clothes. What about the accessories? It is equally important to look polished. You need to have some sort of a balance in your outfits or your styling. This is when your styling games comes in. So now that you're done with pressing and all that stuff, plan your accessories. Accessories doesn't mean just the earrings or neck pieces or watch, etc. It also means your shoes, your bags. If you're thinking of, I do not have like those staple accessories, I do have a PDF curated for you all that has like minimalistic earrings and all that suits most of the outfits, and those are the staples that you need in the wardrobe. I'll link the PDF in the description so you can download that. Another tip for you guys here, take care of your shoes and bags, all the leather products on the weekend. Just take a tissue and clean your shoes or clean your leather bags on all those sorts. Remember, the clean accessories cater to polished look. The ones that are dirty, The fifth chapter, last but not the least, is meal prep or fitness planning. I am not a fitness pro or a meal planner pro, but having healthy meals planned for the week can save much time and stress, and you feel energized throughout the week. And also plan fitness. And I'm not a fitness freak, but then whenever I work out in the morning, I feel really energized and self-confident. So plan your fitness routine for the upcoming week. Remember, it's not just the appearances outside, but it's about feeling good from inside out. And there you have it, a weekend guide to maintain a polished look throughout the week. Remember, self-care, organization and planning are key to feeling confident and energized throughout the week. I will leave in more resources in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. And that is it. I hope you guys like this video and take some value out of it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like this video, and comment below if you have any video requests, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to help. See you next time with more fabulous content. Bye bye.